If you've ever wondered how to send videos, music, or audio files through Telegram desktop while keeping the original quality intact, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to share your favorite files with anyone on Telegram, whether it's a personal message, a group, or a channel, quickly and confidently without compromising on quality. So let's dive in and make file sharing simple and seamless. First, open up Telegram desktop on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, just head to telegram.org to grab the app for free. Once Telegram is open, navigate to the chat where you want to send your file. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a group with friends, or even a channel you manage. It doesn't matter which. Telegram desktop works the same way across all chats. Take a second to make sure you're in the right chat so your files don't end up somewhere unexpected. Now look down near the message input field at the bottom of the chat window. You'll see a small paperclip icon which represents attachments. Click on that. This is the gateway to sending files of all types through Telegram. You might notice a few different options popping up, such as photo or video and file, or sometimes it's labeled document. Here's an important detail. If your goal is to send a video, music, or audio file without Telegram compressing or resizing it, always choose file or document. If you accidentally select photo or video, Telegram might reduce the quality to speed up sharing, which is totally fine for quick snaps, but not for keeping high-fidelity audio or HD video. So take a moment to make sure you're clicking File. This preserves the original size and clarity. After that, a familiar File Explorer window will appear, just like when you're attaching anything to an email. Navigate through your folders to find your file. Maybe you're sending a music track you produced, an audio memo, or a full-length video you want your friends to watch. If your file is buried in lots of folders, don't hesitate to use the search bar at the top of the File Explorer. It can save you a lot of time. Now here, another tip. If you want to send more than one file at once, just hold down the Control key on Windows or CMD on a Mac and click each file you want to send. This is especially handy if you have an album of songs, for example. Once you've selected the file or files, hit Open. Sometimes the button says Send there, depending on your operating system. You'll see your selected files pop up in the Telegram chat window as attachments, but they haven't gone out yet. If you'd like, now's a good time to add a caption in the message field. Maybe you want to explain what the audio clip is, or share some context for your video. Captions can really help keep things organized for receivers, especially in busy group chats. Finally, when you're ready, click on the blue Send button. It's shaped like a paper airplane right next to the message box. The upload might take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your file size and internet speed, so don't worry if you see a progress bar for a little while. And that's all there is to it. Your files will arrive in their original quality, ready for anyone in the chat to download and enjoy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and feel free to leave any questions or share your own tips in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.